Welcome everyone to this Vechain update, an exciting one today because we will be reviewing the trade that we have been taking the past week. Of course, I gave you this position all the way back down over here with the diamond pattern breakout very early on. Let me just draw it out again for you guys, just like that. And this was also in a great place because it was also an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And of course, when we're breaking out of these two, although the diamond pattern isn't neutral and could go down, we also had another bullish pattern setting up. So the fact that we broke out bullish out of both of them and reclaiming the moving averages, this was a good enough signal for me to enter a trade on Vechain. Now, our investments have gone up 64%. Let me actually check how high it did peak out. It went up 68% and is currently at 51% gain since this breakout for our investments. Now, if you took a spot position, well done. If you managed to secure in the similar place as me, essentially, then you would have secured 64%. However, in the Discord community, make sure you're checking that out. The links are down below. We took a leverage traded position over here of 8.78, and we've actually secured it. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. I'm going to bring you over to the post right now. And I did share it earlier on. We actually managed to secure 567% earlier today in the chat. We've been in this position for around just over a week now, and we just sold 75% of this position. So we saw, of course, the explanation being the inverse head and shoulders and the reclaim of the moving averages. So that was our reason for entry. Due to me using leverage, there was, of course, a liquidation price that was down here underneath the right shoulder. So if this is truly bullish, then this should be our lowest point. We should not go lower than this low. And so that's why I was confident when we did reclaim the moving averages and break out to add this amount of leverage. Now, if you entered with 100, the gain would have been 667 with the 75% secured. You would have secured £500, dollars, euros. Now, if you entered with 1,000 of your currency, £1,000, euros, dollars, then this gain would have been $6,670 or pounds or whatever, and securing already 5,000 and then leaving the further 1,670 for further gains. This is essentially what we have been doing in the Discord community. So use the links down below if you want to take action. I'll just show you a little clip at the end of what you can expect in there. So what is now the next move? I need to zoom out. So we've reviewed this trade. We've explained the reasonings. Again, guys, during this whole dip, I was mentioning that as long as we're above the 200 EMA, that I'm not going to shift my stance of being a bull. And we ended up being right, breaking the high exactly as we predicted. So thank you for the continued support on the channel. I just want to say that from the bottom of my heart, we've hit 8K now, onwards and upwards to 10K. Now, what we need to expect after meeting and securing some profits here. Remember that I still have some in the trade, so it's gone down a little bit, but secured 75% at that price point. You can check out the exact figures over here against these exact figures. It's all the same. And this is around our 1 fib level target between the 170 and the 1618. We didn't actually meet the 1618, but we've hit the first two. I'm sorry if you can hear my pug in the background. She's snoring. She's a pug. I can't do anything about it. She wants to be with me. And if we zoom out over here, we are actually retracing all the way to this 9 cent high. Now, I've been talking about this since the end of last year, guys, where we were predicting that eventually we will push through this level of resistance, taking us to the next one, which is 9 cents. Now, at the moment, the current Fibonacci's are only calling for a 7 cent target. So this is pretty much around the area where I'm going to take further profits from this trade. Remember, I have 25% left, so I'll take out further profits here. So I'm still anticipating, even from right now, today's current price of 439 cents, I'm still expecting a further move of around 60 to 100%. Now, with the 8.78x leverage, this is going to be, of course, beautiful. So I'm thankful that I left some money in, but of course, really excited that I was managing to secure some profits, as this is a level of resistance. If I now get rid of these Fibonacci's and just use the larger ones, now putting it on that high that we believe we are retracing to 9 cents and taking it down all the way to our bear market bottom, then we can see we're running into the golden pocket right now. It was also a key level of support in the bull market. Well, this was already the bear market. So yeah, during the bear market, we created a key level over here that brought humongous pumps. Look at the percentage pumps, 130%, another small one over here of 50%, and another large one over here of around 125%, all from this level of support. And this is the very first time that we're running into this now resistance. It's also the golden pocket, guys. And if we're looking at this huge wave down as an impulse, then this is a corrective phase and we're looking to continue lower. I really do not believe that this is what's going to happen, but I'm just explaining the Fibonacci path, guys. We're trying to invalidate the path that it should really be going on, which is a rejection from here and a new low. We're trying to invalidate this. So you can see that we have the 200 EMA, and I'm going to continue to say, as long as we're creating higher lows above the 200 EMA, and remember, we've been dumping since December and we held above the 200 EMA, breaking the high. So even if we get a rejection over here, as long as we stay above the 200 EMA, we will eventually break through and meet our 9-cent technical target, because once we bust through the golden pocket, this is called the reversal wave. And in actual fact, it should break this high and then target a new all-time high or back to the previous all-time high, 28-29 cents, bringing us a total move of from today's current price back to the all-time high of 550%. Guys, make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share into your own communities or over on Twitter. This is what we need to do to fight the algorithm on a daily basis. Again, head over with me to Twitter. Follow me. It is Louis_crypto. All the links you need to take action to find me on Twitter are in the description and pinned comment section. Do not forget, we have the Discord membership option if you want further exclusive content. In there, it includes daily support by myself and of course all my profitable traders in there that are mods, weekly live streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays, including just including all the mentorship pretty much. We do swing trades, as you've seen over here, spots or leverage. So this was a leverage one. You also have access to my portfolio, ever growing with 30 plus cryptos. A lot of them are underneath 200 million market cap, but we've got large caps, we've got micro caps. It's just $25 a month. And what you can expect over here is £20, $25. And this is what you can pretty much expect over here. Yeah, family feel, everyone's pretty much helping each other out. And yeah, there's so much included in the community. Cheers, everyone.